So Percy Tau iform yakhe for Bafana Bafana i-off and say-off for isikhathi eside yabo. Kodwa-ke obviously ucoach uyazi ukuthi umselecthelani uPercy Tau ulethani ethimini nanokuthi uskillful kangakanani yini into angasinika yona. But-ke thina abalandeli bebhola the way simbukela ngakhona uPercy Tau simbona ngakhona akasiniki lutho and sokunesikhathi manje si-patient ngaye. But-ke Hugo Broos ucoach Bafana Bafana ikhale sakhe phela lapha and uyasinika ama-results so complain kakhulu akufuneki but isitori sa-Percy Tau nje ya kumele sithole i-replacement. Percy Tau akasasiniki lutho ngempela but-ke if coach ubhilivela kuye I think we have to be behind the coach simsupport-e. I-striker I think uReyners yisi striker i-solid striker ngisibonile aspikile for lama 2 qualifier games. So mbona ukuthi uReyners now he will come to the party against iBenin because siyadinga ukuthi siyiwine le game le against iBenin yabo ukuthi sihlale kamnandi lesicongweni. I think masingawina nje ama-game ayi-3 kulawa ayi-5 asele siyaqualifya because laba abanye basazophazamisana endleleni yabo. Siqualify nje straight hayi lento lokuthi siphume number 2 sibheke-ke manje ukuthi abobani abaku-top 4 ngale ukuthi sodlala nabobani kanjani. Masingazama nje ukuwina 3 games sine-chance e-right yokuqualify for FIFA World Cup next year lena ese-United States. But ngiyabathemba Bafana, they've been giving us ama-results are right.